Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Real Reviews, where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today, we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new dining table. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. Putting this together, the main thing I'd say is right away that the top base have some weight to them, so I wouldn't treat it like a super lightweight table at all. It's not hard to assemble, but having another person helps make it easier, especially when you're lining up the tabletop and the pedestal base. All right, got it set up with some chairs. And also, depending on how you have it set up, you can have 4 chairs. For here, we'll probably just have these 2. But everything just looks really nice. For seating, as I said earlier, this one makes sense for 2 people comfortably, but you can do 4 people if it's more casual or you're not putting a ton of stuff on the table. The tabletop has that black marble look with the gold edges, so it looks nicer than a basic small dining table. The top is listed as Sintered stone, which is basically means more of a stone style surface instead of a regular MDF or glass. The big benefit there is that it's made easier to wipe clean and more resistant to everyday stuff like scratches, water, and heat. The gold edge isn't just for looks either. It helps protect the edge of the tabletop from chips, bumps, which matters because corners are usually the first place that the table gets beat up on. The base is a pedestal style, so instead of 4 legs on the corners, you've just got that one centered base. I like that for a smaller table because chairs are easier to slide around and you're not constantly hitting your legs on the table legs. It's also listed at about 62 pounds, so once it's set up, it feels more planted. The base has some weight to it, and there are non-slip pads on the bottom to help keep it steady and protect the floor. Overall, I'd look at this small space table that looks nice. It's good if you want something for coffee, breakfast, or a small dining area, or even a little work from home spot, but you don't want a big bulky dining table taking up the whole space. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new dining table, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all get yours. Highly recommend.